Hi guys, we have the Rachael Ray's Nutrish real chicken and veggies, and this is a delicious dog food, and we will show you how much my dog loves it. It's got lots of high quality ingredients, real chicken, and it's a good source of protein, and it helps support healthy organs and helps maintain lean muscle mass. It's got peas and brown rice, and it's highly digestible, and it's low in fat. Go ahead, Tabby. Good. She's a very picky eater, but she loves Rachael Ray Nutrish. Here you go. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. There you go. And she loves this Rachael Ray's Nutrish. The wonderful thing about this is it helps your dog have better fur and the immune system and all that good stuff. And I love that it's made with real chicken and real vegetables. There she goes. There she goes. She loves it. Rachael Ray Nutrish chicken and veggies. If Tabitha will eat it, any dog will, because she is super picky and she seems to be enjoying these large kernels by Rachael Ray chicken and veggies. Go ahead, you can have another one. So anyway, she is very excited to have this dog food. She is really picky, and will go, my dog, this is a Lhasa Apso, and she'll go days on end without eating. So I started getting this Rachael Ray Nutrish because her regular dog food, she just wouldn't eat it, and she just absolutely loves this. So definitely check this out. Rachael Ray, you know that she's a chef on TV, and now she's making dog food. And Tabitha here loves it, right? All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check it out. Rachael Ray Nutrish.